So we are getting ready to go outside, sun cream on. Let's go and investigate what kind of weather we're dealing with. I've got some vegetables here, the last ones that need to go in the polytunnel. Garden's looking a mess, haven't been out here for ages. The rest of it's looking pretty good though. Let's go and have a quick polytunnel update. Oh wow. Looking slightly different to the last time we saw it. Some tomatoes and courgettes. Look at that, the courgettes are coming through. You can see those courgettes are coming through. These bean plants are growing lots of little beginnings of beans and things. Cabbage is just taking over the entire place. I think we need to do some work in here. Now this plant here, this is plantain, and you can actually eat this plant. So if we get this one out, this one here, we can eat these.
Okay.
So we'll take this bit. This more.
So in here we have plantain, and daisies, I think. I can't remember.
Good to get all the things off the lawn rather than just killing it. There's food, so let's make use of that food rather than just chopping it all up and chucking it in the compost bin. As you can see, we've got a really good stash of plantain.
Interesting. We haven't found caterpillars in years. Wow! Is it poisonous? Wow, can you see that? It's amazing. Wow, guys.
Stay still.
Give a like on this video for that poor caterpillar, who's lovely and green.
It's very green. So far we've got quite a nice collection of dandelions, daisies and plantain. There's quite a decent amount of stuff in there as well. Okay, so before I cut my lawn, I always trim any bushes that need a little trim so that the lawnmower picks up the junk. You don't have to do it all by hand. Cutting the grass, which is nice. We've been moving around garden furniture, and Gabriel is starting to saw up some wood for our bushcraft fire. We're going to cut this table up as well, it's falling to pieces, isn't it? You're looking a bit hot there, fella.
Yeah.
So yeah, we've brought the table over here and some lounger, and just hanging up some of these solar panelled light bulbs around the area for some light. I just opened up the polytunnel one. Look at that beast. And I have this plan, which is a bit crazy, but it is me, to turn this polytunnel. So they've been messing around in here, and I've got lots of things growing in the back. Might transplant that into tubs to put around the back door, so I can have my decking covered in vegetables, and buy a swimming pool to go in this room for the children. It'll be warm, but it should be somewhere fun for them to splash around. So we're getting there. It's starting to look like my old garden at last after the absolute hell of winter. Slowly does it. That's perfect. Good job. Nice and steady. Nice and slow. You'll get her in the end. Don't rush or you lose a finger. Deal? Excellent. Hot.
When can we do this?
Oh, well, when you can get through one piece of wood, we'll get through that table, shall we?
Yeah.
Right, cool.
Can I cut the table and that little chair that we said, that one?
Yeah, sure, why not?
spider.
Watch out then.
So, what are these white things in, Gabes?
These are spider eggs.
Wow. What spiders do you think we might get? Black widows, house spiders?
Probably black. We don't get black widows in this country.
No, mainly Australia.
Why are black widows here?
Well, I don't think you actually get black widows in this country, but
And why do we see them?
well, they're probably just other black spiders, Gabriel. But we have seen some big spiders in our time that could be black widows. Oh yeah, I forgot, guys. I might have shown you this earlier, but let's just show you again. That we have another vegetable patch in this polytunnel, and we are going to transplant it to the decking all the way over there. That brown thing. So we've got to put it in a pot, like Mummy's doing. Then put some new soil in it. And then we have to place it where we want to place it, pretty much. Is that correct?
Correct. This is a great courgette plant. We've grown these from seeds. So that is going to grow lovely on the decking, where we can keep our eye on it and water it.
So guys, we are going to grab some wood, me and Gabe. So yeah, hope you enjoy.
You look very hot and sweaty.
Hello, you careful.
How are you doing?
Good.
Stop! Stop it!
Okay, so lunchtime. We're halfway through the day. I've cut the lawn. I've started moving all my plants. I've cleared the polytunnel of all of the stuff we grew from seeds. That's all in pots. Had a tidy around. Moved the table and chairs. And yeah, quite a busy start to the day. So I was making some lunch now. I'll show you what we're having for lunch, and then we're going to go for a walk. It is absolutely boiling out there. Okay, lunch. I have got some chicken, broccoli and pesto with pine nuts. It's really easy. I made that last night, just refrying it. And some basmati rice with a chicken stock cube. Are you hungry? Right, so I have lunch, then we go on a bit of an adventure. Good? It's really dark in here on this camera. So I've just cut up some herbs from the gardens. Add some finely chopped herbs. Drizzle of olive oil. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon now, and we've decided it's just so hot. We've been working hard all morning just to go and get a walk. And last summer, this way, we were on a mission discovering new things. And recently I've discovered a place out the back of the fields, diagonally from where I live. I think it's going to be quite a walk, but I suspect that I will find a new walk today, so that's really good, if we can get it right.
Heard you in the wind, with my face toward the sun. Sparrows danced above my head, dived on their way home. Be careful what you wish for, 'cause one day she will come. was gone. Ooh, ooh,
Okay, it's so ridiculous that I've lived in my house for 3 years and only recently have I discovered all of the walks to go on near my house. I just never got it before, I didn't understand. And now I'm starting to put all the pieces together and I cannot believe how many like amazing walks there are to do out of our front door. So that's really liberating, and I think that this is going to become the norm once a day at least. There's a huge pond in there. I've become really housebound and it's not good. Stop it. I need to get out and explore and get fit and be fresh and alive and stuff.
down by the water, all the lights around me. I thank you for all the treasures I've seen. She whispered in my ear, you won't always know I'm there. I said all I can I give you, and all I am I share. Hear my call.
I've been walking for about an hour and a half now, and I have managed to get us across the back of our fields from our house to Ashford Hangers, which is lovely, and I like coming up here. So now I know I can walk here across country, which is bloody marvellous because I do enjoy that walk. I didn't even know it existed. It's very, very enchanting. I don't know why, but for quite a while, I'd say about a year, I've become like really weird about leaving the house. Like I'm okay if I've got someone with me, but I won't just go and do something like this on my own anymore. And that's quite annoying because I used to be no problems, just get up and go. And now that I've done this today, after 3 years of living in my house, I'm really pleased that I've done it because it's magical, obviously, and I just know that if I did this every day, it wouldn't be long before I was back to my old self. So that would be good. Hi! I don't know where we are. I think we started our journey. I think that's where I was filming, on that bench, I think. So we live kind of over there, a mile or two. We're heading this way, which is exciting. I love exploring places. It's my perfect day out and it's on our doorstep. I feel like an idiot not knowing these things.
Roses in the wind, push from falling in. I'll always know you're there.
It's been a good day, Gavin. Going for a big old walk.